Today we're going to show you this 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. It's powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury outboard. Let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful boat. It's got a beautiful white hull color with the black bottom. I really like how it clashes together. It does have the sea deck here on the transom with the dune interior. Now that we're on the boat, we can take a little bit of a closer look. Like I said, it's powered by 250 horsepower Mercury outboard. You got sea deck throughout, which is a nice feel on the feet. You got the L-shaped seating here in the cockpit. It gives you plenty of space. I really like what they did with the helm here. You got your Simrad display with Mercury vessel view that's integrated. You got your Lenco trim tabs, Mercury digital throttles, wireless phone charger right there next to the helm. You do have your toggle switches easily accessible right there on the dash. Moving forward, you do have a little lay down area. You know, when it does get hot out there, you can get out of the sun. Full windshield that you can close off, and plenty of bow seating up here in the front of the boat. But if you are interested in this boat, want to come take a closer look, come see us here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. My name is Jack. Phone number 601-520-7236.